Welcome to this guided meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to be tall and straight, and gently close your eyes. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through the nose, and exhale fully through the mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding onto. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters and leaves your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to be slow, smooth, and natural, like gentle waves flowing in and out. Imagine yourself sitting in a serene East Asian garden, surrounded by lush greenery and the sound of trickling water. Feel the solid ground beneath you, supporting you with stability and strength. Connect with the earth beneath you, feeling rooted and grounded in this present moment. Bring your attention to your body, starting from the crown of your head down to the tips of your toes. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and with each breath, imagine them melting away, leaving behind a sense of ease and relaxation. Soften your jaw, relax your shoulders, and let go of any tension in your muscles. Now, shift your awareness to the sounds around you. Notice the gentle rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds, or the distant sound of a flowing stream. Allow these sounds to wash over you, like a soothing melody, bringing you into a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Take a moment to cultivate gratitude for this present moment and for yourself. Reflect on the blessings in your life, big or small, and allow yourself to bask in the warmth of gratitude. Let it fill your heart with joy and contentment, knowing that you are exactly where you need to be. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize a soft, golden light surrounding you, enveloping you in a cocoon of warmth and love. Feel this light radiating from within you, illuminating every cell of your being with healing energy and tranquility. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace and calm with you as you go about your day. Remember that you can return to this meditation whenever you need to find your center and reconnect with your inner calm. Thank you for joining me in this practice. Peace and blessings to you.